Welcome to Bulgaria. Wow! Hello, good morning. Gagala kami today. Pupunta kami ng Sofia. Wow! Dahan-dahan ang boses kasi talog pang mga tao. It's 6:30 in the morning. Mawala na panahon. Wow! Sobrang ganda ng hotel namin. Napaka-queenly ng hotel namin. Wow!
Yes. Romania share Danube River. We share also
Pasok na kami ng
the
Bulgaria.
Black Sea. Danube River, even if it's crossing nine,
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
nine countries,
So beautiful.
four capital cities. In Romania, is going into the Black Sea. Where form the Danube Delta. It's a virgin place where it's possible to go there only with boat, and it's better to go during the summer. Springtime, the summer. In the winter, if it's just come to check it, to look at every person in part, and to let us pass. Because, for example, for Romanian people, they don't control anymore the ID. They just let us pass. And sometimes happen for people when we had only people from.
Yes, nandito na kami sa Bulgaria. Nagpalit ako ng ng euro. Yun money exchange. So, winner ko lang. Yeah.
The monastery that you can see here. You'll be able to see it close to the monastery. Well, we'll go first for the visit hub. After we'll go to visit the new church as well. And unfortunately, here we'll not find the restrooms. The restrooms are not functioning, and this is why for other restrooms we'll stop on the way to Veliko Turnovo and to to Arbanasi. When we leave from here from Basarabov.
Wow, so nandito kami ngayon sa monastery. Oh my God, ang ganda. Bellissima. Silang kasama ko. Sila yung kasama ko. Taga-Lithuania, dalawang India, at saka couple na Italia. Oh my God. Finally. Wow. Look guys. Nasa loob ng ng bato. Wow, bellissima. Tapos lumabas ang araw. Yes. Ang ganda. Oh my God. The Rock Monastery. Saint Dimitar Bazarboski. Wow. Bellissima. Oh my God. Wow. So nagbili muna kami ng ticket para makapasok. Wow. Ito yung pinaka-famous dito na yung mga roses. Akit sa taas. Oh my God. Ang ganda.
Because the other stairs are not so stable anymore, they are not open for the tour. This is the north side. Orthodox religion, up. Okay?
Okay. Wow, so let's go. Kaya lang sobrang lamig. Oh my God. Bibila ko ng jacket mamaya. Guys, oh my God. Dandahan ang aking baby. Malamig.
The Orthodox religion. Yes. Normally people coming on the church, they used to light a candle in the memory of living people, but also in the church. Became famous in 17th century when the Saint Dimitri died and they discovered his body. Also we have Romans. For Romans is forbidden to go inside the altar compared to the Catholics. For a woman it's allowed to go inside only once when the new church is having the first ceremony. A woman is allowed to go inside the altar, otherwise not. And gentlemen, mostly the ones who are close to the church, they're allowed to go with, if the priest allows them to go there. Something also different between the Catholic and the Orthodox is that in the Orthodox religion, priests are allowed to get married. Actually, it's mandatory to get married, and after that they can be a priest. And if they divorce, they can't be any more priest. Yes?
Ang ganda ng view. Oh, wow. So beautiful. Look, guys. So, bababa na kami. Nalulok ako sa daan at dinadaanan namin. Oh my God, ang ganda. So beautiful. Ta-da! You see? Nasa bundok ang aking baby.
You guys need to do a big step, yes? Yeah. Like
Oh my
this,
God.
but
Ito dadaan. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang liit ang dinaanan ko, oh. Yung kasama ko, bumaba na. Wow. Ang ganda. Bellissima.
is there Okay. You will come. Come here, please, first. It's okay, we'll go there after that. They are the tombs there, of the monks. And this is the other place where they was meeting for prayer. Yes? It looks like different small church as well. You can see here that people who are coming here, you'll see a lot of faith. Now, in the other cells, you can see in the first one, and I think that in the second one as well, they are the tombs of the monks who lived here in the monastery, and it's a very nice view as well from here on the top. You can take some pictures.
Wow. Pumasok na ako. Oh my God. Ang laki pala nito. Wow. Kasalanan. So, nandito ako sa bundok. Bibila ko ng ano kahit wow. Parang nakakatakot. Ito kahit sa dinadaanan ko. Ito ako sa bato. See? Wow. Nakakaloka. Parang nakakatakot. Oh my God. Grabe. Baba na ako dahan-dahan. Sinipon ako. Pero lumabas ang araw. Ganun ako ngayon kasi nakakatakot. Nakabuts pa naman ako. But I'm pretty. You see? Yun ang maganda sa travel. Iba-iba yung makikita mo sa mundo. Oh my God. So pretty. Iba yung ano ng boots ko. Ibang style. Hindi magkasya sa hagdanan. Kasama ko. Wow. Pero hindi ako bibili ng souvenir. Bellissima. Wow.
Yeah, I laughed about it today, but like this morning I was like, I guess the homeless ones left me in the face for calling the ambulance.
Look at this. No, questa è bellissima. Wow.
We don't even know if he was drunk, like anything. And we're just alone because after that, we have to walk around. So, so good.
Grabe oh. Yun ang napuntahan ko. Nakakit namin. Propio wow.
Let's go to see the new church and after you go a few times here for the
So mayroon pa.